Or are you just unbothered by Kevin?
This is...
Is it good? It's really good. Well. Look who woke up bright and early. You woke up before 6:30 and you're supposed to sleep in today. Did you know we have your... Oh my goodness. We have your baby dedication today. And it would have really worked out better if you slept in. I know. Luke's been doing crafts this morning and he made me a very special hat. Best mom. So proud. I'm on my way to get a Walmart pickup order and I thought I'd hop on here because I'm alone and it's quiet so I can talk for a second. But this morning is Walker's baby dedication at church. Not just Walker, but the baby dedication. And we signed Walker up. So all the family's going to be at church this morning. And this is a late service. I'm a little nervous because Walker woke up before 6:30. And service is not until 10:30. And I don't know. It's just, I'm having a feeling he's going to be sleepy, but I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully it all goes well and he'll be energized because like all the family's going to be there and all of that. But I definitely planned on him sleeping till like 8 and things would have gone better.
We're about investing into our kids, our babies, our families, and we love that they are having new babies and they are just growing their families, and we want to be behind it. We want to be a church that supports that and resources them as much as possible. We are going to commit ourselves to raising our babies and our families in the way that God says to do it in His Word, okay, according to biblical standards, right? And how many of you guys know that that's getting harder and harder? It is getting more and more challenging to raise our kids, and so we're Abraham Christensen, and then we got.
Look how handsome my Luke looks. He looks so handsome.
Look at my credit card.
Oh yeah, he made a credit card. Wow.
But
That is a cool credit card.
Thanks.
Love it. We had baby dedication and it went just how I thought it would. When Walker woke up before 6:30 this morning, it was kind of a hot mess. He was very tired and everything, but whatever. We got it done. It was nice and it was good to have the family there. And now he is napping so peacefully, and Ryan decided to not nap, but they are playing, and in about an hour we're gonna have friends come over and we're gonna do smash burgers, and the kids are gonna play on the bounce house and just outside because, as you can tell, I'm soaking up this glorious sun. I don't even know what the temperature is, but I'm in shorts and it is beautiful. How are you feeling, Luke?
I'm starting to feel good.
You are?
Yeah. What should I do with gray?
I don't know.
Make probably, yeah.
Ooh. You're so creative. Yesterday we went to Luke's baseball tryouts. It was the second day for his baseball tryouts. And he said, my tummy hurts. And Keith and I were like, oh, it doesn't hurt. Like when we were little, we would say our tummy hurt if we didn't want to do something. And he didn't want to be at tryouts. And so we're like, it doesn't hurt. Just get out there, do your best. And he was playing with his cousin. So I did not think that his stomach actually hurt. Well, we get in the car and he's complaining about his stomach. And we get home and he's complaining about his stomach. And I'm like, honey, I don't know what to do. And I was like, is it a sharp pain or is it like an achy pain? Because I'm like, okay, is it appendicitis? Like, what kind of pain are we talking about? And he said achy, and I'm like, I don't know. And so I put him to bed, and about 30 minutes after I put him to bed,
And then when I was in bed, I threw up and I had to sleep with Mama, and then I threw up a couple more times, but that was just yesterday. Today I'm starting pretty good. And I'm working on this.
And we're out here painting. But yeah, he obviously did not go to school today, and he's not going to go tomorrow either because he does have maybe like a low-grade fever.
Yeah.
And he had a little bit more of a fever earlier, and you have to be 24 hours fever-free. So he's going to stay home tomorrow. And he's been quarantined and everything, but we're just out here painting. And I think Walker just woke up from his nap. He's got a cough, and so he didn't nap great. And we're just kind of on the struggle bus over here, but at least it is gorgeous outside. It's like 73. It's perfect. So I think I'm going to take Walker on a walk. And if Luke wants to come too, then that's fine.
Yep.
You want to go on a walk? Okay. So
I'm done.
Ooh, I love it. Beautiful masterpiece. Thank you.
I knew how much you loved pink, so I decided to get white and red.
That's so nice. Thank you. But so far, I haven't been able to get my workout in. And, you know, life happens today. Life happened. And so we're going to go on a walk, still get some movement in. If I work out later tonight, great. If not, it's whatever. But I'm pretty happy with so far. I've lost 6 pounds within like just over a week. So that's exciting that all of my hard efforts are not in vain. And I'm getting back to where I used to be and where I'm more comfortable.
Walker, are you just unbothered by Kevin?
This is mostly.
Unbothered.
Well, mostly.
Hey, Kevin.
Hi, Kevin. My peacock.
He's been strutting for a good 5 minutes.
I got some.
Here you go, Kevin.
Toss it out there, Ryan.
I go do this.
Toss it in
Yeah.
front of him. Well,
To his face. He can't see. His booty's facing you.
Hey, Kevin, I gotta show you.
You hungry, Kevin?
now back up, Ryan.
He says, oh, thank you. Let's see if he likes goldfish. Do you think he does?
He's gonna eat it.
Oh.
You like it?
Yum, 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 yum.
He's tiny. I'm gonna get him pretty close.
Well, this is pretty close, buddy.
No, I'm gonna make him like. Right.
Yum, 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 yum.
Sure does love.
Goldfish.
I have a bowl.
Do you like Kevin? Eat. You say hi?
Like this.
Yeah.
Eat it.
Okay, I hope you can hear me okay. I have several things cooking right now. So I was just going to show you this dinner I'm making. I've never made it before, but I had a friend share this recipe with me. And it sounds delicious and super easy. The secret ingredient is Boursin cheese. And I've never cooked with it before. But I've had it with like pretzels, and it is delicious. So I know it's not going to be bad. So first of all, I love this thing. If you have a big family, this is like the best to cook a lot of food in one pan. But anyways, I just put a little bit of avocado oil and some butter in the skillet, and then I put salt, pepper, and garlic powder on the chicken pretty liberally, front and back. And then when those are finished, I'm going to take them out. We actually cut up these onions the other day for smash burgers, and they didn't get all the way done because we ran out of propane. So I'm going to use what I've already have cut up and put them in there, and then add this whole thing of Boursin, and then 3/4 cup of chicken broth. And then you just stir it together, and that is your sauce. And to go with that, I have rice and chicken broth and broccoli. And then these are new. I just bought them at Walmart today. They're sweet potato puffs. And I just put them in my air fryer. And I think my family's gonna love them. been bubbling for a few minutes, so now it's much thicker. And then basically I can just add the chicken back in and let it kind of reheat again. And then it is ready to serve, and this is going to be great over our rice. See what you think of the chicken. Is it good? It is really good. I know, like nothing I've ever made. And so easy and delicious. Oh my goodness, boy, are you okay?
That's really good.
That is really good.
That is really good.
Yeah. I already had a bite when I was making the kids' food, so I know how good it is, but it is delicious and extremely easy. So you gotta make it sometime. So good. And these little puffs are also really good too. And Luke loves them.